Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk English muffins. And a bacon, egg, and cheese muffin too. So I'm going to start with my wet ingredients. Here I have some warmed up buttermilk, room temperature butter, olive oil, salt, and my yeast mixture with warm water and sugar. Here I have bread flour. I'm gonna mix in my wet ingredients in increments until everything is well incorporated. At this point, I knead it gently with my hands. And then I transfer it into a clean, greased bowl. Plastic wrap and then place in the fridge to let proof overnight. Here I'm greasing my work surface so the dough doesn't stick to it while I'm working with it. I'm also going to dust my sheet pan with cornmeal here. Now here I'm going to start cutting my dough into 16 equal pieces, or at least try to. Gently fold in the seams of the dough and place on the sheet tray seam side down. Dust the tops of the dough with more cornmeal and then put plastic wrap on top. Put it aside and let it rest for about an hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, I'm going to start my cooking. Here I turn on the oven at 350 and start my cast iron pan on a medium to low heat. Using two spatulas, very gently lift the dough into the cast iron pan. On the same sheet tray, dust with more cornmeal. Once the dough easily comes off the pan, give it a flip and cook the other side. And once it's cooked, place back on sheet tray. Between cooking each batch, wipe down the cast iron pan. Once they've all been cooked, place in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes. After they've been baked, remove them from the sheet tray and let cool on a baking rack. And there you have it, buttermilk English muffins. And now I'm going to show you how I make my bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. I preheat my oven at 300 degrees, and I lay out my bacon on a sheet tray. And then I bake for about 20 minutes or until it's crispy. Then I lay it out on a paper towel. I'm going to gently melt some butter here on a nonstick pan. and crack in 2 eggs. Add some salt and gently scramble, then add in my cheese. While still wet, I cover with the lid and let it cook on a very low heat. Then I start toasting my English muffins. I'm making 2 here, one for me and one for my cameraman. Now I start assembling. Muffin bottom, egg and cheese, bacon, and muffin top. And there you have it, bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.